How you doing? JB from JB Electric. Yesterday we went ahead and put this panel in. We got a new mast in. We ran our number 2 in there, landed it in here, and then we also did a ground, which goes to our ground. This is banding. So what they make you do is put a ground in, and you have to do a continuous. That means you can't cut it right down here and then start over. They just want one ground clamp. They just want the wire has to be continuous all the way from the ground side of the panel here, which is right there where it's landed. You can see it. And then we came down along here. It was a long haul, which usually it is when it comes to these bonds these days. So we had to come all the way around here, fastened it to the side of the building here. Then we landed it right here on our water pipe. See there? And it's also continuous as well. The wire's never cut. Then we had to come down here, go through the building here, and end down over here to the gas pipe. And so there is our bond to the gas pipe. Then what we did, this is our old panel here. Okay, and so the deal is that we pulled out of this. We're going to pull out of here, and then we're going to do all of our lines and loads out of this old Pushmatic panel. It's old. This thing, I don't know how old this thing is, but it's old. It's hard to find these breakers anymore too. So they wanted to go ahead and upgrade the panel. So, and then what we did is we used a 3/4 inch. We went a connector right into the bottom of the panel, and we came out of there with a pole corner. Went around here, all of our watertight connectors. Put it up against the wall. We use more than we have to here. We always do that. And then we landed everything here. Here's our neutrals. Here's our power. Here's our new loads and lines. And here is going to be our grounds and all that stuff. We went ahead and unistrap this on the wall with a unistrut connector, and got our cleat there on the bottom, and then our weatherhead. So, anyways, this is just I think it's about 9 or 8:45 on Thursday morning, the 10th. Or the 8th, I'm sorry, the 9th of August. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching our videos, and take care.